have added in the kadai quarter cup of water. Now the 1 cup of jaggery grated I am adding to this, and we have to melt this. If there is any impurity, you have to strain it and take it out. And the consistency of the syrup should be 2 to 3 threads. When you take out the syrup like this and just do like this, so you will get the thread forming like so. That time you have to switch off the gas, add the cardamom powder, dry ginger powder, mix well, and then add the pori in it. Now to check the consistency, we have to just dip your finger in the water and do like this. See, 2-3 threads of you can make out 2-3 threads. Now this is the right consistency. We'll switch off the gas. We'll add the dry ginger powder, 3/4 teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. See, it has started leaving the sides of the kadai. Now at this stage we will put the pori in this and quickly mix it. And my mother-in-law used to put a teaspoon of sugar also. You should coat the same with by. Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin Swag. Today I am going to make sweet puri. That is this is called marmara. This is called Nel Pori. Sorry, Aval Pori, and this is called Nel Pori, which is available in South Indian stores. During Kartigai Deepam, we make this puri and appam for Naivedyam. This festival is celebrated for the well-being of our brothers. So I wish all my brothers a very healthy and happy life. The main ingredients required for this is the puri, that is the marmara, puffed rice, and jaggery, dry ginger powder, cardamom powder. With this measuring cup, I have measured this pori. This is around 4 cups of pori. So I'll be taking 1 cup of jaggery, grated jaggery, and we have to make a syrup of this and mix with the pori. Coat the same with the spatula properly. Some people add the coconut bits fried in ghee also in this. My children don't like it, so I haven't added. Now when it cools down, you can separate this with your hand. This is done. Now see, you can make out very well. Let's see, it is getting separated very easily. Sometimes it gets sticky. Don't worry, you can just eat it like that. See, it has come out very nicely. So the puri is done here. Now we will do the other one also. Now we are making the nail puri. The jaggery is boiling. 5 cups are there. So I have taken 1 1/4 cup of jaggery for this. 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, same process. Some people make ball out of this and keep it. You need the jaggery, sticky jaggery. For that you get it from the same shop where you are purchasing the puffed rice. There are no impurities in the jaggery, so I am not straining it. It's quite clean. Now see the puri. It has come out very nicely. This is the way we want. Some people want it a little sticky, so you have to add more jaggery or the sticky jaggery. For that you have to use. Let us check the consistency. I started forming the thread. 1 thread consistency it is. We'll add the cardamom powder, dry ginger powder, mix it. If you are adding the coconut bits, fry it in ghee and add at this stage when the jaggery is came into the consistency. I think this is done. Yes, we'll switch off the gas. You have to clean the puri because there are a lot of husks and in the nail puri and in the aval puri there are a lot of dust particles are there, so you have to clean it properly before making this. Add the sugar, mix it well. And we make appam and adai also for Naivedyam. Today is Bharani Deepam and tomorrow is the Kartigai Deepam. We light lamps in front of our house after putting nice rangolis and light the lamp. So that photo also I will add it separately. This has also come out very nicely. First time when you are making it, you use little bit of this thing. Try with a 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup. Then once you are able to understand the consistency, then you can make large quantity. Wow, this has come out nicely. So both the puris are ready here. And we make appam and ade also for this festival. For ade I have soaked the rice, dal, tur dal, chana dal, black urad dal and red chili have soaked and kept. I'll share the link later on. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. And wishing a happy Kartigai Deepam to all my brothers.